Hey there! Welcome back to the channel. If your Ford Explorer is your daily driver, road trip buddy, or family hauler, you already know how important comfort and organization are. In this video, we're checking out 30 useful accessories made specifically for the Ford Explorer. From smart storage solutions to protection upgrades and style add-ons, these picks are all about making your drives easier and more enjoyable. And the best part? All items are available on Amazon, so don't forget to check the description for the links. Let's get started and see which Ford Explorer accessories are worth adding to your ride. Very first on the list is floor mats, floor liners for Ford Explorer. Protect your Ford Explorer interior with these custom-fit floor mats and floor liners designed for full coverage. They trap dirt, mud, snow, and spills before they reach your carpet, making cleanup quick and simple. The raised edges help contain messes, while the durable material resists wear from daily use. Designed to stay firmly in place, they provide reliable protection in all seasons. A must-have upgrade for keeping your cabin clean and well-maintained. Next accessory on the list is cargo mat for Ford Explorer. Keep your cargo area protected with this cargo mat made specifically for the Ford Explorer. It shields the trunk floor from spills, scratches, and dirt when hauling groceries, luggage, or outdoor gear. The textured surface helps prevent items from sliding around while driving. Easy to remove and clean, it maintains a neat cargo space with minimal effort, a practical accessory that helps preserve your interior and adds everyday convenience. Next add-on in our list is Trunk Hidden Organizer for Ford Explorer. Maximize unused space with this Trunk Hidden Organizer for the Ford Explorer. It fits discreetly beneath the cargo floor to store tools, emergency items, or valuables out of sight. The sturdy construction keeps items secure and prevents rattling during drives. By using hidden space efficiently, it helps keep your main cargo area uncluttered. A smart storage solution that improves organization without sacrificing trunk room. Coming in next, we have Silicone Cup Holder Protector for Ford Explorer. Keep your cup holders clean with this silicone cup holder protector designed for the Ford Explorer. It catches spills, crumbs, and condensation before they reach the original surface. The flexible silicone material provides a snug fit and helps keep cups and bottles stable while driving. Easy to remove and rinse, it makes interior maintenance effortless. A small but effective upgrade that keeps your console looking fresh. Next item in our list is roof rack crossbars for Ford Explorer. Expand your carrying capability with these roof rack crossbars made for the Ford Explorer. They allow you to transport bikes, cargo boxes, kayaks, or camping gear while freeing up interior space. Built from strong yet lightweight materials, they offer dependable support without excessive wind noise. Installation is straightforward using factory mounting points, a versatile upgrade for road trips, outdoor adventures, and everyday hauling needs. Next must-have in our list is Center Console Organizer for Ford Explorer. Keep your Ford Explorer interior clean and easy to manage with this Center Console Organizer. It divides the deep factory console into practical sections, making space for phones, wallets, keys, and everyday essentials. The custom-fit design prevents items from shifting while driving, even on rough roads. Made from durable material, it blends naturally with the interior and installs instantly without tools. A smart upgrade that saves time, reduces clutter, and keeps everything right where you need it. Next item in our list is Center Console Armrest Cover for Ford Explorer. Add comfort and protection to your Ford Explorer with this Center Console Armrest Cover. It shields the original surface from wear, scratches, and spills while providing a softer place to rest your arm during long drives. The snug fit keeps it securely in place without sliding or bunching. Easy to install and simple to clean, it helps preserve your interior while improving everyday driving comfort. A small upgrade that makes a noticeable difference on every trip. Next add-on in our list is Wireless Car Charger for Ford Explorer. Charge your phone effortlessly with this wireless car charger designed for the Ford Explorer. It keeps your device powered without messy cables, allowing you to simply place your phone and drive. The secure mounting keeps your phone stable during turns and stops, while fast charging support ensures reliable power on the go. Built with safety protection against overheating, it is both convenient and dependable. A modern accessory that keeps your cabin organized and your phone ready at all times. Next must-have in our list is anti-dust cup holder inserts for Ford Explorer. Protect your Ford Explorer cup holders with these premium non-slip anti-dust cup holder inserts. They catch spills, crumbs, and moisture before they reach the original surface, keeping your interior cleaner. The textured design helps cups and bottles stay steady while driving. Easy to remove and wash, they make cleanup quick and simple. A low-effort upgrade that keeps your cup holders neat and adds everyday convenience to your cabin. Next accessory on the list is rear bumper protector for Ford Explorer. Safeguard your Ford Explorer rear bumper with this durable rear bumper protector. It helps prevent scratches and scuffs caused by loading groceries, luggage, or gear. The textured surface adds grip while blending smoothly with the vehicle design. Easy to install and built to withstand daily use, it preserves your paint and keeps your SUV looking well-maintained. A practical upgrade that protects one of the most vulnerable exterior areas. Next add-on in our list is running boards fit for Ford Explorer. Make getting in and out of your Ford Explorer easier with these sturdy running boards. They provide a wide, non-slip stepping surface that adds safety and comfort for passengers of all ages. Built to handle daily use and tough weather, they stay secure and stable on every drive. The design follows the Explorer body lines, giving your SUV a more rugged and complete look. A practical exterior upgrade that improves accessibility while adding bold visual appeal. Next item in our list is dashboard cover mat for Ford Explorer. Protect your Ford Explorer dashboard with this custom-fit dashboard cover mat. It helps block heat and sunlight, reducing glare while preventing cracks, fading, and wear over time. The textured surface stays in place and blends naturally with the interior design. It also helps keep the cabin cooler on hot days. Easy to install and simple to maintain, this cover adds protection while keeping your dashboard looking clean and well-preserved. Next must-have in our list is middle console organizer for Ford Explorer. Keep your interior clutter-free with this middle console organizer for the Ford Explorer. It creates separate sections for phones, wallets, keys, and other daily essentials, making everything easier to find. The snug fit prevents items from shifting or rattling while driving. Made from durable material, it installs instantly with no tools required. A smart interior upgrade that improves organization and everyday convenience. Next add-on in our list is trailer hitch for Ford Explorer. Add serious towing capability to your Ford Explorer. With this 2-inch trailer hitch receiver built from heavy-duty steel, it supports bike racks, cargo carriers, and trailers with confidence. The precise fit aligns with factory mounting points for secure installation. Once installed, it stays unobtrusive and maintains clean rear styling. A functional upgrade that expands what your Explorer can handle on work days or weekend adventures. Next item in our list is tempered glass screen protector for Ford Explorer. Keep your infotainment display protected with this tempered glass screen protector for the Ford Explorer. It guards against scratches, fingerprints, and dust while maintaining full touch responsiveness and screen clarity. The precise cut ensures edge-to-edge coverage without interfering with visibility. Installation is quick and bubble-free for a clean finish. A simple upgrade that keeps your screen looking sharp and easy to use every day. Next accessory on the list is Rain Guard's window visor for Ford Explorer. Enjoy fresh air in any weather with these rain guards, window visors for the Ford Explorer. They allow you to slightly open the windows while blocking rain, wind, and road debris from entering the cabin. The slim aerodynamic design helps reduce wind noise and blends smoothly with the exterior styling. Made from durable material, they are built to handle daily driving and changing weather conditions. Easy to install and low maintenance, these visors improve comfort while adding a clean, functional look to your SUV. Next add-on in our list is leather seat cover for Ford Explorer. Upgrade the interior of your Ford Explorer with these premium leather seat covers designed for comfort and protection. They help shield your original seats from spills, dirt, and everyday wear, while adding a refined, upscale appearance. The fitted design keeps the covers secure and prevents shifting during long drives. Breathable material ensures comfort in both hot and cold conditions. A practical interior upgrade that enhances style, preserves seat condition, and improves overall driving comfort. Next item in our list is mud flaps splash guards for Ford Explorer. Protect your Ford Explorer from mud, water, and road debris with these durable mud flaps splash guards. Positioned behind the wheels, they reduce splashes and help prevent scratches on lower body panels. Built from tough, flexible material, they withstand rough roads and harsh weather without cracking. Installation is straightforward using factory mounting locations. A smart upgrade that keeps your SUV cleaner and maintains its exterior finish over time. Next accessory on the list is Hood Deflector Bug Shield for Ford Explorer. Reduce windshield chips and bug splatter with this Hood Deflector Bug Shield for the Ford Explorer. It redirects airflow up and over the hood, helping protect your paint and glass during highway driving. The low-profile design adds subtle styling while maintaining forward visibility. Made from impact-resistant material, it is built to last through all seasons. A simple addition that improves protection and keeps your front end looking cleaner. Next must-have in our list is anti-slip foot pedal pads for Ford Explorer. Enhance driving control with these anti-slip foot pedal pads designed for the Ford Explorer. The textured surface improves grip under your feet, especially in wet or muddy conditions. Built from durable materials, they resist wear while adding a sporty interior detail. The pads fit securely over factory pedals without affecting pedal movement. A small upgrade that improves safety, comfort, and confidence every time you drive. Next add-on in our list is envelope and floor-style cargo net for Ford Explorer. Keep your cargo area controlled and clutter-free with this envelope and floor-style cargo net for the Ford Explorer. It securely holds groceries, sports gear, and travel items in place, so nothing slides around while driving. The stretchable design adapts to different item sizes while maintaining strong tension. Easy to install using factory anchor points, it adds flexible storage without taking up valuable space. A smart solution for keeping your trunk organized and ready for everyday use or road trips. Next item in our list is window shades for Ford Explorer. Improve comfort and privacy inside your Ford Explorer with these custom-fit window shades. They block harsh sunlight and reduce heat buildup, helping keep the cabin cooler for passengers. The precise fit allows windows to function normally while maintaining visibility from inside. Installation is quick and tool-free, making them ideal for daily driving or long journeys. A practical upgrade that adds shade, comfort, and protection for both passengers and interior surfaces. Next must-have in our list is door pocket insert tray for Ford Explorer. Bring order to your door storage with this door pocket insert tray designed for the Ford Explorer. It creates separate sections for bottles, phones, and small essentials, preventing items from rattling or tipping over. The durable material fits neatly inside factory door pockets without affecting space. Easy to remove and clean, it keeps frequently used items within reach. A simple interior upgrade that makes daily driving more convenient and organized. Next accessory on the list is front and rear dashcam for Ford Explorer. Drive with added confidence using this front and rear dashcam setup for the Ford Explorer. It records clear footage from both directions, capturing important moments on the road and while parked. The compact design mounts discreetly without blocking your view, while automatic recording ensures nothing is missed. Ideal for added security and peace of mind, it helps document incidents and everyday drives. A valuable tech upgrade that enhances safety and awareness wherever you go. Next add-on in our list is key fob cover for Ford Explorer. Protect your Ford Explorer key fob with this durable and stylish key fob cover. It guards against scratches, drops, and daily wear while keeping all buttons easily accessible. The snug fit ensures the cover stays secure without adding bulk. Comfortable to hold and easy to install, it adds a subtle upgrade to something you use every day. A small accessory that helps keep your key fob looking clean and well-maintained over time. Next item in our list is dashboard organizer tray for Ford Explorer. Keep everyday essentials neatly arranged with this dashboard organizer tray for the Ford Explorer. It fits perfectly into the dash area, creating a convenient space for phones, keys, sunglasses, and small items you use often. The non-slip surface prevents items from sliding while driving, even on rough roads. Designed to blend naturally with the interior, it looks factory installed once in place. Easy to remove and clean, this organizer helps reduce clutter and keeps everything within easy reach for a smoother driving experience. Next add-on in our list is LED interior light kit for Ford Explorer. Upgrade your cabin atmosphere with this LED interior light kit designed for the Ford Explorer. The bright, clean illumination enhances visibility at night while giving the interior a modern and refreshed look. These energy-efficient lights install directly into factory sockets, making the upgrade quick and hassle-free. They produce clear light without flickering or overheating, ideal for daily use, whether driving after dark or searching for items inside. This kit makes your interior feel more comfortable and premium. Next accessory on the list is steering wheel paddle shifter extension for Ford Explorer. Enhance driving control with these steering wheel paddle shifter extensions for the Ford Explorer. They extend the factory paddles, making gear changes easier to reach and more responsive while driving. Crafted from lightweight yet durable material, they add a sporty touch without adding bulk. Installation is simple with a secure fit that stays in place during use. A great upgrade for drivers who enjoy a more engaging and confident driving experience behind the wheel. Next item in our list is seat gap filler for Ford Explorer. Prevent small items from falling between your seats with this seat gap filler made for the Ford Explorer. It fills the space between the seat and center console, keeping phones, coins, and cards within easy reach. The filler stays firmly in place and matches the interior design for a clean, seamless look. It also helps reduce distractions caused by dropped items while driving. A simple but effective accessory that adds everyday convenience and keeps your cabin organized. Last on the list is trunk organizer for Ford Explorer. Keep your cargo area neat and well organized with this trunk organizer for the Ford Explorer. It features multiple compartments to separate groceries, tools, sports gear, and emergency items, preventing them from shifting during drives. The sturdy structure maintains its shape, while the foldable design allows easy storage when not in use. Built-in handles make it simple to move in and out of the vehicle, a practical solution that turns your trunk into a clean and manageable storage space. These were 30 amazing accessories you can add to your Ford Explorer. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. For more content like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.